Alright, so now welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to send a mail for the first time. Maybe if you are new to Gmail, you just sign up a Gmail account and then you want to see how you can send your first email. So this is your inbox, or this is your Gmail account, and if you check it, we have three tabs here. This is primary. Over here, the primary shows personal messages over here, and then these are promotional messages. That is those companies that are promoting their business on Google, and these are social. So if you have any social information, like maybe from your social media account and other stuff, you see them here. All right, so now if you check over here, you can see a compose button here, and this is your inbox. As well as you can see, we are just new. We don't have any emails in our inbox. So if you want to send a mail, what you have to do is that you just have to tap on the compose. So tap on the compose. So the compose will come with a new message. So we have three components. Now the first component is to. To means the recipient, that is where you are sending this mail to, and then the subject of the message. So if maybe it's an application letter you are sending, you can put in like application letter, or the subject of the mail. So here, let me just put in a recipient, another email. So it can be Gmail, it can be Yahoo Mail, any of the mails that you can send to. All right, so now this is the email that I want to send to. So you put in there, and the subject may be hello. So I say hello, check my mail. Now when you come here, this is the body or the content. So whatever that you want to tell the person, you can put it here. You can copy any text and paste, or maybe if you want to write your own thing, you can just do that. Now after you are done, you can see the send here, and if you put down this arrow down, you can even schedule your mail. Maybe you want to set a date that will be sent automatically by the Google system. Now if you check here, here's our formatting options you can use to format the content of what you write here. Maybe you want to change the font, or maybe make it bold or italic, or align them, or even put bullet and numbering. You can do that. And now this button is for attaching file, or attaching a file means you can send a file to the mail. Maybe you want to attach a certain file to the mail and send. So when you tap on it, you can browse from your computer. So maybe if you have a document or an image, so let's assume maybe this is what I want to send to the person. I'll just tap on it and say open. Then it will attach this file to the mail. It means that when I hit on the send, this file will be attached to the mail that I will send, and the recipient will be able to open it and read it from anywhere. Now if you check here, you can see insert a link. Maybe if you want to add a link to your mail, and these are emojis if you want to add or insert an emoji. Now this is to insert a file from your Google Drive. This is to insert a photo. All right, so after you are done with everything, you just hit on the send, and this recipient will receive the mail in their inbox. So that is how basically you can send a mail. So let's tap it here, and then you will see that message sent. So the message has been sent successfully. So on the recipient, they will be able to respond to it. If you want to be sure if your mail has been sent, when you come to the sent items, you will see your email that you sent here. If it has not been sent and it is on draft, that is maybe saved in your Google account, you'll be able to also access it here. So that is how you can send your first mail in Google account. Now, if this video has been very helpful, please don't forget to share this video, and also give it a thumb up or hit on the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel if today happens to be your first time. Now, see you in the next video. Bye bye.